Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Subway Surfers. It's this really fun game where you gotta like jump over stuff. It's like parkour. The volume's not working right now, but I'll fix that if I die or something. But it's a very, very fun game where you can just like, I tested it before you guys played, and I got SUI for suit, the letters. And since you get the word hunt, you get a prize box. And then you get super power-ups and stuff. Hey, look at this one. Mystery boxes, you can get like different characters and stuff. And like money. And then, but like you get superpowers sometimes. Like there's these things called hoverboards that if you run into something on accident, you will still be alive because it'll just explode the hoverboard. And then it'll just break everything. So yeah. Leave a like if you want me to do more of these videos. Subscribe and comment down below what I should do next and stuff. So like, I don't know, but I'm still trying to fix volume. Not much though. So I hope you guys enjoy this video like that, Okay. So yeah, I'm not getting off free. So gotta think about. Oh, whoa, that's a lot of coins, bro. 500 coins, double up, bro. I'm doubling that. Wait, let's watch this cool ad. That's not really that cool. Oh, this is fun, bro. So, like, yeah, this is so fun. I should do this on my channel. If you guys want to, leave a like for that too. Wait, I'm gonna do some. Yeet. Is that good? I didn't think it was. Okay, I'm going back to the game, bro. Okay, so okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I got 2,000 coins. Amazing. See, you can get these. You need 2 more to unlock Trixie. So I'm getting another one. Okay, volume's fixed. Volume's fixed, I think we can all tell. A little bunny thing. I'm not controlling this, guys. Whoa, man. That looks like a hard game. To be honest, that looks pretty hard. But not. But it does. Yeah, it's pretty hard. I have to wait 12, 11, 10. Oh, my turn. Here we go. I'm a pro, guys. I've never played this before, but I'm a pro. Whoa. Really? Because of spikes. Really? It's hard. Okay. Alright. So, here we go. Let's keep going. And, yeet! Oh, I thought I was going to make it, bing. 2 times coin. Oh. Really? I didn't get it. Okay. Great. Bouncy shoes. Kaboom! Guys, they should really make an its penguin skin on this. Oh, look at that. I almost got a Saturn thing. Saturn things are cool. You can do some really hard parkour like this. I don't know. Like this. Itching. Even though you die from it. Yeah, sort of. So go, yeet, yeet. On this thing, you have to jump, then roll to get all the coins. It'll work better, trust me. Up, down, up, down. Whoa, down, down, down. This theme for, I think they change the theme every month. I think this theme is it's Houston Spaceship, I think, thing. You can unlock specials who are people who are only, jetpack, who are only in the month's thing. Sometimes it comes back for like Halloween and like Christmas. It's the same stuff, but yeah, it's pretty fun. So yeet, missed me. Ding. I'm doing pretty good. It's my top run so far. Have a lot of coins. If you check in the top right, you can see how much coins I have for this round that I've collected, not for the whole game. So I've played this before, but then I've deleted it to make storage. But then I'm getting it again. So yeah, Saturn. Got a Saturn. 443 coins. What a pro I am. Once, like, it's very hard, but sometimes once I got 1,000 coins. It's very hard. Because, like, the more coins you get, the harder it gets. Yo, this is so hard. Because, like, I think those boots literally saved my life. No! I'm not going to save myself because I'm not a cheater, but 531 coins isn't bad. It still says that, but not no more. Okay, what did I get? A hoverboard. So this is a hoverboard. So you double tap to activate new high score, bro. Alright, so yeah, that's my total coins, top left. Yeah, I have a bit of coins. You can go home. Okay. And then you can, like, tap on me and then get these cool new characters. The special for this one, see, there are times. This is the Boombot. You can get him free with any purchase. I used to have him. So this is the new one, I think. The special. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, I like the dark outfit, guys. So, yeah, let's play another round. So, yeah, I don't know. Like, I think I should, like, don't know. I'm gonna do a Minecraft survival series maybe again, guys. But maybe in ancient times, because I have this. Or maybe, or maybe I could do a Minecraft series in plastic texture. Or in old times, because I have an ancient one texture pack. And comment down below what you want me to do. The ancient one or none, or like, I don't know what to do. Guys, I'm running out of options. No, I'm not really. You know. So, yeah. I'm doing pretty good at this jetpack thing. Okay, actually. Not super good, okay? Got it. Oh, shoom. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Roll, 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 roll. Bro, this is actually getting challenging, like really challenging. Like, I don't know how challenging, but it's really challenging because you just saw that, right? Really challenging. Very challenging. I didn't even get that far that time. Like, a key! Keys are like so good, guys. I love these. Okay, so we're gonna wrap up. No, we can do one more round and wrap up the video with that, and wrap up the video by getting 500 coins, guys. Well, this time we can maybe get 1,000, but I meant there's a free video and you can get 500 coins from that. So we're gonna do that at the end, and after this round and I die, we're gonna just do that. Okay. Cool beans. Super magnet. See, if you don't know what the magnet does, because you don't play this, but you might say it just takes the coins from anywhere when you have it. But I don't have it no more, which is very sad, and I don't like that. But I really wish I could have it. So, like, I don't know. Let's just get more coins. At least I made it past 100 coins. But I want to make it past 200, I bet you. If I don't, then I can never do more Subway Surfers. Well, I can, but, like, not on recording. That's how determined I am. But doesn't mean it'll actually happen. Like, if I actually don't get 200, I'm still going to record Subway Surfers. But that's how I determined I would be. Like, I reached 200, see? Pro here. Playing, not Minecraft, Subway Surfers. But I'm also a very good pro at Minecraft. Leave a like and subscribe if you want me to do a redstone Minecraft tutorial. I'm very good at redstone, guys. Whoa! Bro, I almost died so badly there. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Huh. Well, 30 times. Mission complete. Good. Rolling 30 times is not that much. Oh my gosh. That was, I almost died there, guys. I've made it past the 400 milestone almost. Yep. Okay. I'm going to try and get to at least 500. But my total... How did I survive that? I'm doing it. Okay, guys. We're still going to get... I don't care if I'm cheating like that. It's not really cheating. Because if they offer it, it's not cheating. But, actually, I'm going to try and get 500 now. Okay, I don't care. I'm going to use up all my keys. Even the free videos. No, not the free videos. So, yeah. Oh. Whoa. I've almost reached 500. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. I reached 500. Yo, I'm super good. Oh. Jump. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I died. I have to do the video. 2 Tweezy's hats. Okay. We're ending off the video. This video actually. This video because. Ooh la la. Well, you missed, loser. Whoa. Oh, you didn't miss. Well, good job. Whoa, he's still alive? That's creepy. Whoa, man. Throwing that as his head. Whoa, man. Oh, he didn't miss that time, I don't think. Was he Thor right there? He was Thor right there. Huh. Bowmaster is. Okay, I'll choose that dude. No, I'm not downloading this. Well, no, I don't know. It's like, oh, cool. Me. No, that totally doesn't look like me. No, I want to go back to Subway Surfers. Exit. Okay, we're exiting the video like this, guys. So, bye. Have a great day, and bye. Like, subscribe, and bye, bye, bye.